Hi, and welcome to Intro to Onshape. In this series, you'll learn how to sketch, model, and assemble 3D designs step by step. Let's get started. Before we jump into Onshape, let's talk about CAD. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. It's a software that lets you create precise 2D sketches and 3D models of objects on your computer. Instead of drawing by hand, you can design parts, assemblies, or even entire machines digitally. CAD is important because it helps us design things faster, more accurately, and with higher quality. Instead of making physical prototypes, we can create models digitally, which saves time and money. It also makes it easier to work with others, customize designs, and experiment with new ideas. CAD is used in engineering, robotics, product design, and even by hobbyists to 3D print their creations. You might have heard of various CAD softwares, such as Fusion, 360, and Autodesk. The great thing about Onshape is that it's a cloud-based CAD, so you don't need a powerful computer. You can design it right in your browser. Unlike traditional CAD softwares, you can access your projects on your laptop, tablet, or phone. In this series, we'll be covering the basics, such as how to navigate Onshape, making sketches, and a guide to all the design tools Onshape offers. Next, we'll dive into features, assemblies, and eventually sample projects. By the end of this series, you'll be able to design your own models from scratch and bring your ideas to life. Whether you're preparing for a class, a robotics competition, or just love to create, Onshape is a great tool to learn CAD. To make an Onshape account, go to onshape.com and click Sign Up. Choose the education plan if you're a student or a teacher, or the free plan for hobby use. Fill in your name, email, and password, and then click Create Account. Make sure to check your email to verify your account. And then you're ready to start designing. Great job! You now have your Onshape account set up and ready to use. In the next video, we'll take a tour of the workspace so you can get comfortable with tools and start your very first design. Thanks for watching!